Today I'll be reviewing this $400 Amazon dash cam. And before I continue with the video, I am not sponsored by any means. This is just a pure review and give you my thoughts on it. So, got it unpackaged. Nice mount. Looks pretty straightforward to mount on your windshield. And I like this so far. That's a lot of line to run to wherever you need to run in your car. And this dash cam is both-sided dash cam, and the rear is adjustable back and forth as well. The one thing it did not come with is this SD card. I wish companies could start putting SD cards in the cameras they sell. It's kind of annoying that you have to get your own SD card. So I got the maximum that this camera can handle, which is 32 gigabytes, and the minimum it can handle is 4 gigabytes. So keep that in mind when you're gonna be buying this dash cam, that the SD card does not come included, and you're gonna have to buy one on your own. According to the instructions, this camera goes up to 1080p with resolution. That's where you put the SD card, and it does do audio recording as well. Now, let's go set this up in the car. So, got this installed here in my classic car. Got the wires tucked away nice and even, but I'm going to tell you right now that it's a little bit too much access wires, in my opinion, but it's still okay and still good. Just got to be careful. So, if you have a big car and you got a plug maybe in the middle or in the back of the car somehow, whatever the plug is, you could get it installed almost anywhere in the car. Got it installed like this. So there's a few modes of viewing. So this adjusts anywhere you want. And only thing I'm not impressed about this dash cam is the fact that it is kind of hard to get this tight. And I tried my best, but I still cannot get it super tight. But there's a few modes. So you got this mode right here of viewing. You got one where you can see yourself while driving, because the back camera records. And you also got one where only the back records as well. I like personally the mode where you view both. Now, without removing SD cards, to view your history, you're going to push the M button, and it'll let you go through modes. This mode right here, right now, is for when you hit OK, it's going to start recording. Now, when you hit this mode again, you'll be able to see through your data. Well, if we go back to like videos, you'll be able to see through your videos on what you recorded. You can deactivate the mic on this camera by pushing this button, which will show the symbol. You push it again and you activate your microphone. This button right here dictates daylight mode or nighttime mode. To get into settings of this camera, you're going to long press the menu button over here. You can definitely set up your date and time. You can also set up when you would like to have your auto power off turned off. I have my mode in the off position. And to go back to menu, you got to hit the mode button again. Also has a screensaver setting. Oops. Just long press. There you go, back into settings. It has quite a few languages here. Some of them that I don't understand, but a lot of languages. Even Russian. So far, the camera looks pretty easy to use. And it looks like to review the footage is actually going to be pretty easy. So I'm kind of impressed with this camera over here. Hopefully it will be easy to extract files are needed, but remember, you have an SD card here that you can always use to extract files with. Not canceled.
Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 Turn right. This particular package.
Driving attempt on the 6 Series.